All right, people, here's a new WYNN update here. WYNN is setting up to test 122 to 124 on the low end, to 125 to 130 on the high end. You know, if this thing can confirm, people. This is my opinion here. That's why I like this plan here, so we got to pay attention. The April 21, 115 or 120 calls could be used. I'll explain the facts, not present in these boxes. So yeah, make sure you pay attention to the video, people. A lot of great stuff here I'm going to be seeing in the boxes and out of the boxes. Key support here is 110 to 108. This is setting up for the longer. The longer this takes, the better. It's great. If it takes another day or a week, even better. The key is to wait for confirmation, as this is a weapon against time decay, people. On the options, we get the options cheaper. I can tell you that because WYNN didn't confirm, these 120s calls are going to be cheaper even when we do confirm. All right. WYNN needs to break above 113 on some strong action volume. This is the early entry signal, people. Okay, just because we break 113, we need that plus the volume. People maybe ask me questions why we get in, and sometimes we get in with the volume, sometimes we get in because of price pressure, and this depends. Some stocks require both, no matter what. But in this case, this could require one or the other. So in the first phase of this, we're going to watch for this break above 113 on some good action volume. So in case we don't get the volume as we break above 113, we don't have this volume, then we're going to watch base above 113 and look for volume and power through 114 through 115. And so basically, a basing in a weak action towards 114 is not going to be a signal. You want some sort of strong action, some sort of reasonable volume. Let's say 200K on a 10-minute chart, for example, some sort of reasonable thing. And if not, you go for the highest point, which is 115. Because sometimes what happens is you get a little weak pop over 115, and then they fizzle away, or they get above 115 and they try to pop it higher, but they do so very weakly, only to pop back down to 113. So the key is, people, understand that you need the volume and the power, okay, through 113, and if not, basing above 113 and look for power towards 114 to 115. The thing about this stock is, I tell you not. Yet it doesn't matter. Listen, if this is going to move, it's going to move. So you want to make sure the confirmation, and look for me to make comments on Power Trick or Trade on StockTwits or on Twitter for WYNN to confirm or not. I prefer WYNN confirms within the first hour, because if it does so later on, it becomes a little bit more tricky. But it's the market is the market. But yeah, WYNN, I think, would confirm in the first hour to be a solid max 1 hour and a half into trading. All right, let's go take a look at the options, people. All right, people, we're here at the Yahoo Finance board. WYNN closed at 111.92 on March the 24th. Let's hit the options, people. Let's hit the April. All right. And so we'll look at the 115s, and they're trading at, see, there's a nice spread over here. Open interest is good. There wasn't much trading. That's because the stock, there wasn't much power. But you notice how there's a tight spread even on the 115s. Now these were way more expensive, I assure you this. Maybe I wouldn't say way more, but they were more expensive, and now they're cheaper, and we still don't have confirmation, which is great. And then look at these 120s. The funny thing is these are the one. I mean, it's the even numbers that are hot. We can see that the open interest is in the even numbers. But these are trading very well, as you can see, and I've watched them myself, and they even get tighter. By the way, people, they usually fluctuate this, so you see how anything wider than a 10-cent spread, something's not right. Usually, when the stock wants to trade very well, the options will tighten up, and I've seen this tighten between a 5 to 10-cent spread on these 120s. And I tell you, kid you not, the stock goes to even the low end target. This will be a double 100% gain, but we're expecting much more than that. Again, the confirmation will be key, and these options will be good as long as WYNN can confirm within let's say by March the 8th. Because this stock, I tell you, when it wants to move, it's gonna move. So you gotta watch those key points. They're setting up. It's been acting very strong, and it just needs some time for the real move. Because this move that it made, I don't think it's a real move. All right, people. So there you have it. All right, people, if you haven't already subscribe to my YouTube channel, Power Target Trade. See the Sandro Power Target Trade? You're going to see it appear here in a circle format. Simply click on it and you'll automatically subscribe. There you have it, people. A great update for Wynn. Let's see if we can make some nice big profits in that. Stay tuned for more plans. Always check. See, like I say, check daily, people. You know, the thing about everything. You know, everything I do is detailed. You'll see it from even my banner is detailed information. Look at it. Tells you confirmation is key. Study the videos, people. Witness the power, people. I mean, who has banners that even explain things like this? What to do? I have to press play, you know, for the button. You see a picture of me. I mean, who does these things, people? This is, I mean, my plans are all done. And by the way, you go to my website, you're going to see some great documented videos of great gains. Everything is documented with before it happened, after it happened, volume, so just totally planned out, people. Just like Wynn, everything's a plan. The instructions are plans unlike any other plan. I have not seen anybody do anything close to what I'm doing. They tell you break. But anyways, I don't want to get into it, people. So there you have, people. Don't forget to subscribe for more great things coming up in the future, people. Power Target Trade. Subscribe. Thanks for listening to Power Target Trades. Thanks for listening. Like the video.